So where we are at the moment in Otoko, you've got just rural property owners farm, very hilly terrain. There's a river that follows most of the state highway, very isolated here, yes. Quite a few closures that happen, particularly where we are at the moment in Otoko Hill. So the road was closed multiple times last year post Cyclone Gabrielle, and then also again after additional weather events. In particular here we have Earthworks Solutions, as earthworks contractor familiar with the area and the landscape and the ground conditions, so great use of that local resource. Within Tairāwhiti, locals will know that forever the road is moving, so often across State Highway 2 and State Highway 35 they've had to either retreat the road into hills further or the pavements completely fail. We've got large dropouts that have happened. Cyclone Gabrielle exacerbated that in a lot of areas, so the ground is very saturated, often mobilising. It continually needs maintenance.
When I was reviewing the design for this works, this happened after the Cyclone Gabrielle. So the damage of the road is that the road is actually slanting down now and that there's nothing supporting underneath. And I just want to ensure that everyone, that whenever they do drive up to the white line, that they won't go down the slip.
This section of State Highway 2 is a critical route for Gisborne, Tairāwhiti. It's quite important that we build State Highway 2 to a resilient state and reduce the amount of closures that occur on an annual basis.